Today we're going to be working with rhyming, and with our rhyming, all of our words are in the same word family, so the beginning letters are going to change, but the ending letters are going to be staying the same. So on your screen you have a hexagon, and inside the hexagon is your main picture you're going to be working with. For this one we have a picture of a star, and to the left of the star is a word that says star, so the letters over here make a word that match the picture. Down below you have two choices. Each of the choices has a picture along with the word that matches the picture. So this word says car with a picture of a car, and this word says tree with a picture of a tree. You're going to take this little sunglass guy and you're going to drag him to which one rhymes with the main picture. So star and car rhyme. So I'm going to drag my sunglass smiley over top of the word car, because car and star rhyme. Let's do one more together. This one I have bee. Here's the word bee with a picture of a bee. I'm going to see which word and picture down below match. I have gift or tree. And I can look at the ending of the words to help me too. I see a double E and I see a double E over here. So bee and tree rhyme. So I'm going to take my sunglass guy and pull him over to tree. And that shows my teacher that that's the one that rhymes. When you're all done practicing, you're done with the boat slide, you can turn it into Google Classroom.